that's what now? 9:40. Yeah, 10 o'clock. Oh, okay. It looks fine. And then all of a sudden, bam! 11:30. Oh my. So yeah, an hour. An hour from glorious sunshine to.
No, look at the sky.
A mud swamp.
Look at the sky.
The old Ford's back, mate.
Yeah, dug her out of hibernation.
She's good. What's your number, sir?
35.
35. What time ferry did you catch this morning?
7:40.
Wow, that's not too bad, is it? How are you finding the Fiesta in the dirt? Well, it's not the dirt, it's the grass, isn't it?
It's a little bit slippery.
It is.
Just a four-wheel drive in it, but yeah.
Yeah. First one was super slippery, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's like ice rink.
Yeah, it is lost it a few times.
But it's starting to sort of churn up now.
Yeah.
But you'll find the grip, I reckon.
It's a bit of a divot now in the front though, isn't there? From a four-wheel drive.
It's not good, is it? What's your number, sir?
54.
Thank you. Ready when you are, sir? What number are you? 84, thank you. That's good. Mate, you got a navigator.
Yeah,
He's
best
not going to get
navigator on
lost.
the team, I've heard.
You got issues, mate?
The battery won't charge, so you've got to jump it every now and then.
Oh. Marshall?
One clear.
What's your number?
85.
85, thank you. Very good. Oh no! Your throttle cable snapped! Oh, mate!
But it is, I'm saying, I'm finding that it's doing this and you can use it to your advantage. It's getting there. But, yeah, say the reason I want to do is kind around.
A little bit more. Had that looked really good run, Dad.
Did it?
Yeah, it looked good.
I use the handbrake, handbrake.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think you have to on certain bits, don't you?
I had in second, I would drive first, then into second maybe.
Yeah, so I did, I must have been on my run, I went first and then straight into second. Oh, I think that was a bit of rain. I saw a bit of rain come down.
I say you drive one handed.
Marshall?
Excuse me.
Driver 31, driver 31. Ready when you are, Dad? Oh no, back down here. Wrong test, for shame. I think Dad forgot what lap he was on. Wrong test.
Where did you go wrong then?
He went around the 360 twice. I think he was getting ready to go back up again and then realised, I think. Hello there, what's your number? 88. 88. Thank you. Hi Dad.
I was concentrating.
Oh, I know, you were going back up again, weren't you?
Yeah, and I got round there with the handbrake, right, and I thought, what am I doing?
Yeah, I thought you were heading back up again to do another lap. You forgot which part of the course you're on. Never mind, don't worry.
But now that handbrake's good.
Is it? Good, helps steer the car.
The revs up, you're all right.
Yeah, that's the problem, isn't it? If you let the revs down, it bogs, doesn't it? So
This is still, I don't know what to do with this.
no, it was spinning a lot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How are you finding your first off-road experience?
Fun.
But it is fun, isn't it? I mean, that's what I say to everyone, just go out now, it's a giggle, isn't it?
Oh my god.
And if it goes wrong, it doesn't matter, because there's loads of space, isn't there? What's your number, sorry?
86.
Thank you. There's no tread on those tyres, is there? Nothing. We'll have to invest in some. The problem is, it's finding the right tyre that you can still stay in class 2 though, isn't it? 4. Go! He's starting off on the mud.
Yeah, first.
Yeah. Do you reckon you can fix it?
Maybe.
Oh, let's hope so. Because this is amazingly quick car.
I know. I'm
It's
actually fastest.
I was saying, you got potential for being the fastest lady of the day today, definitely.
Yeah,
if
not
he can
now.
fix it, not now.
I don't know what Louise's last round was, but I was.
But it's amazing. When you watch it go round, it's amazingly quick.
So fun to drive.
What it is, you got a hole in the throttle.
Yeah.
Plastic pin that goes through. Should be a circuit on the back. There isn't. Plastic pin
Oh, the plastic bit popped out.
Good old wire.
Yeah, it's a fix.
Right.
You good?
I've got a seat. Ready?
Woohoo!
Yeah. Right. I'm going to queue up.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got.
Well, here comes the rain. Times are not going to get any quicker now, but it's still good fun. I reckon he'll get under a minute today. Dean in the Ignis, look. You can't see any of that because I can't see any of it, that's for sure. Keep going. No, it's not going to be a sub-minute just yet. So what's that, sorry?
69.27.
69.27.
Marshall 1 clear.
You see how well it went?
Where's Dean?
Number 5.
Dad on the start line there. The wheel spin. He's going, darn it. Dean Long. So,
What's the car?
that's an Ignis.
It's class 1, isn't
Yeah. Ah, class 2, sorry.
it? 2.
I think one of you ended up in a hedge over there. Was it you, Dave? Oh, was it? One of them went in a hedge.
That's the problem. It turns into a game of drive on the stuff that's already been churned up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter what everybody, you know, what line you want to take. You kind of have to go where everybody else has gone. Otherwise, yeah. Oh, well done.
You had to do anything to that car? It just as it came
Yes, as it is. Yeah. It's a Suzuki Ignis Sport, and they made it like a homologation car for the Junior World Rally Championships.
Oh, yeah, of course
Yeah.
they did.
Look at Dean hanging on there. Wait.